Good morning, everyone. I am here today to discuss about outlining. So, what is an outline? So, let us know first what is the definition of outlining. So, an outline is also called a hierarchical outline. It is a list arranged to show hierarchical relationships and is a type of a tree structure. It is used to present the main points of the topics of a given subject, often used as a rough draft, a summary of the content of a document. In preparing an outline, it requires an intermediate step in the process of writing a scholarly research paper, literature review, thesis. So, an outline presents a picture of the main ideas or the supporting details of any subject. Some technical uses of outlining are a class reading assignment, an essay, a term paper, a book review, or a speech. For any of these, an outline will show a basic overview and important details. Some professors will require an outline in a sentence form, require the main points to be in chronological order, or have other specific requirements. As a student, first responsibility, of course, is to follow the requirements of the particular assignment. What follows illustrates only the basics of outlining. The library presents it as a quick reminder because students often ask about outlining, and the information is not easy to find quickly in the various reference books. So I have here the basic outline form. So here, the Roman numerals, the main idea. So the A and B here gives a point of view about the main idea. So it indicated that these subsidiary or supporting details give information about the Roman numerals, which is main idea. So with the numbers here, 1 and 2, which indicated also gives important details about the subsidiary idea, as well as the letters here, A and B, which gives the idea also about the number 2. So it's here the numeric data 1, 2, and 3 are the main important details or the main ideas in a certain title. So here I have here some major aspects, major examples of a basic outline form. So let's proceed here. The major aspect of page. So the Roman numerals 1, 2, and 3 are the main ideas, are the main components of the title major aspects of age. Then the transfusion body fluids given are some important factors that give ideas about the numerals, the Roman numerals transmittal of age. So with the sexual, non-sexual, which gives indication about body fluids. So here is with the 2 and 3, it means that supporting details gives chronological order of a certain topic. It must be processed, or it must be well explained well, because it is a process or somewhat an indication of a chronological order of a certain topic. It must be likewise